How to send special offer on Airbnb. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for airbnb.com. Now, log in to your Airbnb account and then tap on the switch to hosting option on top of your screen and further tap on the messages option on top. Now, open the message thread with the guest you wish to send a special offer to. You will then see the option for Send Special Offer. Tap on that. Now, go ahead and enter the desired price for the entire stay in the subtotal field. Ensure this amount includes all applicable fees such as cleaning fees and then send your offer. Tap on the Send Special Offer button to submit it to the guest then. And this is how you can send a special offer on Airbnb. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. See you on the next one.